Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all be good. So my name is Chef Rahul Markam and once again welcome to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm gonna show you how to grill the vegetable in a very simple way. No any rocket science if you are grilling the vegetable. Just you have to cut veggies. That's it. Veggies that means it's a cut of vegetable name. So we will just cut our vegetable veggies in a veggies size. That's it. Oil, salt, pepper. That's it. So let's start.
So you can see guys, now I am grilling the vegetables, right? So here is not too much vegetables, only peppers and veggies, tomato. So peppers, that means some people they don't know about the papers. It's not means like a white paper which we are writing. It's a papers, that means red capsicum, yellow capsicum, green capsicum. So this color we calls papers in a hotel industry. So you can see guys, I am grilling these vegetables. So, and I told you in the video as well as it should be in a veggies cut, right? So you can see I am just grilling and our griller is too high. So because of that I'm just flipping to all vegetables, right? If I will keep for a minute so it can be burned. So it's our vegetable.